Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install software updates for EV chargers using manufacturer app step by step clearly. Open the manufacturer app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure your device is connected to the internet. Log into your account using your user credentials. Navigate to the EV chargers section within the app. Select your specific EV charger model from the list. Look for the software updates option. Tap on Check for updates. The app will search for any available software updates. If an update is available, you will see details about the new version. Review the update information provided. Tap on the download button to start the update process. Ensure your charger is plugged in and powered on during this process. Wait for the download to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once the download is finished, tap on Install. The app will begin installing the update on your charger. Do not unplug or power off your charger during this process. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification in the app. Verify that the update was successful by checking the software version. Reconnect your charger if necessary and test its functionality. You have successfully installed the software update for your EV charger using the manufacturer app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.